Hello everyone, today I'm excited to walk you through how to deploy a Warden Validator node using our NodesManager platform. Imagine being able to deploy a blockchain node in under 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. And that's exactly what NodesManager makes possible. Everything is managed through a user-friendly interface designed to simplify the process even for non-technical users. Before we begin, here are a few words about the Warden project. Warden aims to bring secure and verifiable AI execution to the blockchain space. It is designed to enable any smart contract or decentralized application to safely integrate AI models. Thanks to a native cryptographic proof system and a specialized consensus mechanism, the Warden Protocol is a Layer 1 blockchain purpose-built to power this vision, combining AI and Web3 in a seamless, trustless environment. As a node operator, you'll contribute directly to the decentralization and security of this innovative network, positioning yourself as a strong candidate for validator selection and a potential future airdrop. Before we start deploying, make sure you have a VPS running Ubuntu 22.04 with 4 CPU cores, 8 GB RAM, and 100 GB of SSD storage. For hosting a Warden node, opt for a VPS 6C server. Check out my Contabo VPS server guide for easy setup. I personally recommend Contabo for its reliability and pricing. To order your Contabo VPS server, you can click on my referral link. Let's begin by logging into NodesManager at this address. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and follow the steps to create one. Then connect to your VPS via SSH and run this command. This script will update your system, install all required dependencies, create a secure user, and configure SSH access. The process takes about 5 minutes. Once completed, go back to NodesManager. Click on the Servers tab in the top menu, then select Create Server in the top right corner. Fill out the form with your server name, IP address, a unique moniker, you'll need this later, and choose your VPS provider. Click Add Server and wait for the status to turn green and show Ready. Your server is now fully prepared to host your Warden node. Back on the home page, find the Warden application card. All steps mentioned in this article are also available in the detailed installation guide, accessible by clicking the Guide button in the NodesManager application. To start the installation, click on Deploy. Select the server we just added, then click Install. The estimated time for installation will appear, and NodesManager will handle the entire process automatically. It will install required dependencies, set up the Warden node, start all necessary services, sync with the blockchain network. You can monitor the progress in real time. Once the installation is complete, click on Go to Dashboard to access your node. Let's now make sure the node is operating properly. Here you'll be able to see your CPU, RAM, disk usage should remain below 80% on average. Service status should be running. Sync status should be progressing. Then go to node logs to view the real-time logs. This is helpful for troubleshooting, understanding what your node is doing, or confirming that everything is running smoothly. If you see repetitive red error messages, don't hesitate to contact us in the NOC or NodesManager channel on our Discord. Next, we'll set up a wallet that will be used to register your node as a validator. Go to Node Operations and open the Wallet section. Create a new wallet by entering a name and clicking on Create. Once completed, you will see your wallet details, such as its address and public and private keys. Important, make sure you copy the private key and save it somewhere safe. You'll need it to recover your wallet if needed. Now head over to the Warden faucet at this address and paste your wallet address to request test tokens. You'll need these tokens to activate your validator. Once you've received the test tokens, go back to Node Operations and open the Validator Node Registration section. Fill in the form using the wallet name you just created and the moniker of your choice. Click Register Validator Node button and wait a few minutes for confirmation. To verify your registration, copy the address that begins with Warden Valoper. Visit Warden Explorer and paste the address to see your node's current status. Let's now set up notifications to stay informed in case of issues. Go to Node Notifications in the left menu. Enter your Telegram bot token and chat ID. If you're not sure how to create a Telegram bot, check out our step-by-step tutorial on YouTube. Enable key alerts, service stopped, high CPU or RAM usage, low disk space, missed blocks. Click Save to activate your alerts. Now you'll be instantly notified if something goes wrong, allowing you to react quickly. Congratulations, you've successfully deployed a Warden Validator node using NodesManager. By running a validator, you're contributing to the decentralization of AI and the long-term security of the Warden network. As you've seen, the entire process is quick, automated, and requires no code. NodesManager gives you the power to deploy blockchain nodes in minutes, monitor performance in real time, maximize your VPS resources, stay alert with proactive notifications. Remember to check your dashboard daily, review logs regularly, react quickly to alerts. If you have any questions or need help, join our Discord community. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share it and subscribe to our updates. We'll see you in the next one.